In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 16 double 12 by 12 scrapbook layouts. So welcome, my friends. All right, with my scrapping box, and I've been doing the videos making the 8.5 by 11, but I do the 12 by 12 pages over on my Facebook page. So I thought I would give you guys a chance to see what we've done over there, and a chance for you to purchase the project sheets just in case you would like to make them as well. All right, so we got 16 double page layouts, and I am going to be sharing them with you. You can purchase this project sheet. It does come with a photo gallery of each one, and then you get a big picture of it, and the measurements, and a little description of kind of where to put it on the page of all the 16 layouts. And you will also get the Facebook Live classes, because I know some of you don't do the Facebook thing, and there's Facebook that doesn't do the YouTube thing. So I thought I would offer these to you and show you what we made over there. Okay, so with a purchase of $9.99, you'll get the photo gallery, the project sheets of each layout, and the Facebook Live classes where I teach how to make them. And each class is anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. I try and keep it to that and no longer. Okay, let's see, I think I have to go this way. All right, so this one here was created with nothing but a few scraps that we had left over. Okay, and I should go, let's go this way, I think. All right, so here's number one. Very cute. This paper was amazing to work with. And then we have that one. I cut out the flower design out of the paper. Oh, very cute. And then we have this one. And they're fairly easy layouts. I don't do really extravagant layouts. Once in a blue moon I do, but I pretty well keep my layouts pretty simple. The key is I want you to be able to sit down and get crafting instead of, searching all over the internet, for the perfect layout. Here I use the tags, and I just cut one row of the tags out, and I cut out another row of tags, and we put them on. Just another way of using them, that tag page. But yeah, I much rather you find something quick, because a lot of times we don't have the hours to spend looking for a layout, and a lot of times you get down that rabbit hole, and what you think has only been 20 minutes, you've already been on for 2 hours. Well, there went your scrapping time. And all of this is made with the vintage linen market. Very cute pages. Very cute. Yellow. You guys know me. I'm not a big yellow fan, but it turned out. Sometimes yellow kind of throws me for a loop. But I think I did pretty good with it. I love how this one turned out. Very cute. But yeah, I do the 8.5 by 11 right here on my YouTube channel, and then I do the 12 by 12s over on my Facebook page. So you can purchase this for $9.99, and it's yours to keep. You get an invite to my box account, and you will get the photo gallery and the project sheets and the live classes. That one turned out pretty cute. A lot of times just adding just a little bit of black sometimes, or even white, will enhance your pages. And here we was getting down, you know, to the end of this, you know, our scraps. So I was just using up scraps. So I usually try and use the whole collection. And that's the last one. And that's all we had, just strips left, and that's what I come up with. It's a little loud, but you know, once you get your photographs on here, you know, and you can make these ahead of time and take them to them crop, and then you just put your photos on them, you know, at a crop. All right. I appreciate you hanging out with me. And like I said, if you would like to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description box where you can go grab this for yourself. And hey, we'll be seeing you guys in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.